this isn't scary, right? That cooking has everything to do with fundamentals and techniques. It's the foundation of cooking. It has nothing to do with your fuel source. So to help folks understand that there are alternatives to cooking on gas, that we don't have to continue to use our 20th century solutions to try to fix our 21st century problems. We are able to work with chefs because we are chefs. We are not some salesmen. We have actually walked the walk, talked the talk. We've done these transitions. We've worked in these transitions. So we understand what are the growing pains to making these kitchens happen. We're right now arguing about how to get a piece of metal hot when there's other technologies out there like radio wave cooking that are just going to allow us to open up the culinary possibilities out there.